My name is Matt. I am the Better Man Coach, and this is us doing a video every day in February. Yesterday, we talked about why men fail, and we're going to talk about that again today, but don't worry, this whole month is not going to be about failure. Yesterday, we talked about why men fail not because of a lack of skill, but because of lack of taking action. But there's three deeper seated reasons that lay into why you don't take action. One being that you have a misaligned identity with the goal that you want to achieve, meaning that you're not acting like the person who has what you want to have because you're not the person who has what you want to have. The other two things being you set bigger goals that you can't achieve yet because you're not in that identity, meaning like when you want to get in shape, you talk about wanting to do 5 workouts a week when last week you did none, which leads to the third point, meaning that you can't be consistent because you've set a goal too big. We're going to quickly go into all three of those things, so stick with me. The first and most important one is the identity shift. If you currently are not even close to living the lifestyle of the person that you want to be, we're going to use getting lean, building muscle, and looking the way that you want to look as the best, cleanest example that's easy to understand. You're walking around with 20 pounds more body fat, or for my people in Ireland, 2.5 stone, I think. No, 1.5 stone more in body fat than you want to have. You don't have any muscle. You're not strong. You're not fit. You get out of breath walking up and down the stairs. When you say that you want to go and get in shape and be an example for your family, you say, oh, tomorrow, it's Monday. Well, actually, tomorrow is Monday when we film this because it's Sunday. I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to do it every day next week and I'm going to eat perfect and all these huge goals that just simply don't align with who you are as a person yet, but we can get there. Small, actionable steps in order to get to become the person who's the type of person that has the things you want. Like with trying to get money. If you constantly feel that you don't have enough, you tend to take actions like the type of people who don't have enough. Wealthy people, not that I'm one, they don't act like they have no money. And I don't mean in that they buy fancy things and they show off. Quite the opposite. When it comes to your fitness goals, you should pair it back to the same idea. If you're not training at all in this week that's just gone, next week's goal shouldn't be to train 7 days. Next week's goal should be get one really good workout in and try and get movement every day for the rest of it. While I'm encouraging you over the course of this challenge that I've set myself to do something better every day for 28 days, it doesn't mean that you need to expect to make yourself go to the gym every day for 28 days. It could be spending this whole month doing something every day to get you more aligned with the person that you want to be. That's what I'm doing with these videos. Day in, day out, I'm going to show up and shoot these shots, see what level of content I can bring to bring you guys some value. And while I put what's in my head out to the world, it's going to help me flex the muscle that makes me become the type of person that can bring value to the world through my knowledge base. Because I've been a coach for 14 years. I've had a lot of conversations with different clients about their problems and helped a lot of people get to where they need to be. That's not always been perfect and smooth. It's taken practice. Without this video becoming a TED Talk, which some of them may really seem like, and you're about to get some coffee ASMR. Hope that doesn't sound terrible. You need to take small, reliable, consistent actions towards becoming the person who has what you want to have. So to make it really simple, if you want to be more physically present in your body and feeling good about how you look, how you perform, and how you move, start aligning your goals one at a time until you achieve that. My call to action for this video is the same as yesterday. I'm not asking you to follow me, like me, or anything desperate like that. I'm asking for you to take action for yourself on something over the course of February that you can take action on every day. If you're not ready, if you're not locked in to be somebody who can work out all the time across February, let's just flex the muscle of doing something every day. So you've got 3 options because I'm going to give you simple ones. If you're not doing any physical activity right now and you're watching this going, I should be training, this whole month is about you moving every day. Doesn't mean going to the gym every day. If you can aim to get to the gym twice a week and do some kind of a workout, whether it be a class that's free with memberships in most gyms these days, or messing about with a couple of the machines that you don't know how to use yet. Most of them have explanations on, that's a weird way to say the word, explanations on every single machine on how to do stuff. In some gyms, like Integrity Fitness and Swords, they even have QR codes on the machines. In Martello Fitness, the gym in Portmarnock that I've been managing for a while, they also have QR codes that I made and put videos of me explaining how to do it with videos of some of the staff there showing you how to use the machine. So your excuse for not having knowledge out the window if you're in either of those two gyms. And if you go to any other gym in the world, Google the machine and say, how do I use this? Or better yet, download ChatGPT and ask it. It will tell you exactly how to use it. It'll pull up a video of somebody showing you how to use it. Zero excuse for the knowledge side of it. So 2 days a week, you're showing up to a gym, you're doing a free class, or you're jumping on and trying a couple of the machines. The other 5 days of the week, you're getting your ass out your front door, which costs $0, €0, zero whatever currency in the country you're watching this from is, to go for a walk for 15 minutes. No phone, no nothing, just go for a walk, think of your steps, breathe, and feel your body. Tied to that, you also need to start shifting the food a little bit. And I'm not telling you to switch and do some perfect meal plan after last week all you did was eat pizza. Make one positive decision every day. Instead of ordering takeaway, make one meal at home. Doesn't have to be fancy. It can literally be going to the shop and buying the simplest, cleanest thing that you can see. Most of us don't need a nutrition degree to understand what's good or bad food. A little bit of meat, couple of vegetables, and some kind of a carbohydrate source without lashing loads of fat and sauce on top of it. This is all I'm going to give you for day 2 because there's no point in layering on and on and on. I'm not going to discuss supplements. I'm not going to go deeper into anything else. We're just going to start. And this is me flexing the muscle of showing up to try and do these videos every day. I had great plans to film 7 videos on Thursday so that I could just preload these and have them ready to go up on YouTube. That didn't happen. Life is busy. I had time to shoot the first video and that's all I had. I'm going to shoot this video, which is at 6 a.m. Get it uploaded today. Later on today, I'm going to record the video for tomorrow, for Tuesday, for Wednesday, for Thursday, for Friday. Next week, I'm going to have a lot more time for reasons that I will discuss in another video. I have an abundance of time coming up to allow me to shoot a lot of these videos. I could have given up. I could have woken up this morning and went, oh, I didn't shoot it. I guess I'm not going to put it up. My challenge is not doing it every day at 6 a.m. and getting the video up in a haphazard fashion. It's putting out quality content and trying to improve how well I make these videos day in, day out to bring as much value to the people that watch it as I can. I've been inspired by a lot of other people through the years who have made podcasts, built YouTube channels, and they've made a really positive impact in my life. I want to do the same for other people because not everybody can afford coaching. My mission is to try and help as many people as I can in life. And I say people, not that I'm excluding the ladies, but I am the better man coach. I focus on helping men because I focus on trying to help myself. The problems that I have in my life, I know that all of you are feeling the same way because we all live in the same world. No matter what country you're in, the same problems are across the globe for men out there with mental health problems, feeling stressed, feeling anxious, feeling misaligned with what you feel is the best life to live. So if I can make a silly little YouTube video every day for the month of February that impacts one person positively to go and improve their life, I'm winning and my goal was successful. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching another video. If you watch it, who knows? This might be me screaming to myself. I'm the Better Man Coach. 3rd time I've said that in the video. I'll see you tomorrow.